So every year Jordan brand blesses us with a holiday release of the Jordan 11, and this year we're getting it in the white and varsity red colorway, aka the cherries. Shad, thank you so much for stopping by the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing. And if you like the content on your way out, hit that like button as well. Today we're going to take an early look at the Jordan 11 cherries. These shoes are releasing on December 10th. Retail price is $225. I was able to actually score these off of the Sneakers Live event when they did the shock drop a couple of weeks back. And so got it in the mail a couple of days ago, and I can tell you this is a really clean looking shoe. You know, Jordan 11s are one of the most iconic silhouettes in all of sneakers, probably one of the top 5 greatest sneakers of all time. Certainly one of my favorites for sure. At first, I wasn't really on the colorway too much until I saw some of the pictures of them. And then now that I have them in hand, I really do like them. So you know the stats on the Jordan 11. Of course, you've got the translucent outsole, Phylon midsole, got the red patent leather going across the upper. And then you have this combination of nylon with the mesh, and then you have leather as well. Official colors on this sneaker are white, varsity red, and black. So you've got on the Jumpman Jordan tag, the white, black, and red Jumpman logo, white rope laces, red hits on the heel and then in the collar, and then you have the red Jumpman logo right here as well. I like the carbon fiber shank plate here with the red and black, really nice touch. I know a lot of people really aren't hype on these just because it's not an OG colorway. Again, a colorway that looks really good nonetheless. You know, is it a top 3 Jordan 11? Top 5 Jordan 11? No, absolutely not. But a clean shoe nonetheless. I can see it now. All of the Jordan 11s on feet for the next 5 or 6 months in this white red colorway. I'm telling you guys, man, that's what always happens. So Sneakers did an exclusive access release on these today, November 23rd. Were you able to get your hands on a pair? I didn't get lucky. I didn't get exclusive access. But again, I did hit on that Sneakers Live event, so that's probably why they didn't show me no love on that. But let me know, were you able to hit on these? Are you looking forward to copping these? Or are these just whatever to you? I know it's been a crazy week. I'm in year 4s. Jordan 1 Lost and Found, that's been a crazy release, and it just keeps on getting better. Now we're finding mold on the shoe. I don't know what is going on with this sneaker. I had to go back and double check on my pair. Thankfully, no problems at all. But I hope everybody was able to score something this week. I mean, it's something. I'm in year 4 re-released on the website was a disaster. That sold out in seconds. And then the draw this morning on the Sneakers app was a no-go. So I just, you know, if you were able to score your pair earlier on, kudos to you. It is just getting harder and harder. These bots are really kicking in and eating. I don't know what is going on right now, but let me know if you copped something. What were you looking forward to the most? And what are you looking forward to that's upcoming? But that's it. Just wanted to give you guys an early look at the Jordan 11 cherries. Let me know what you think of this shoe. Like always, please hit that notification bell so you don't miss a drop. And I will catch you on the next one. Y'all be easy. Peace.